What up everybody, it's KTG612 and today we are gonna do a review on the 2008 CBR1000RR. And with most of my reviews, I usually take it to work. That's what I do. They're my daily riders. I don't take them to the track. I haven't been on the track. I plan on going to the track. That's what every YouTuber says, right? But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go to the track at some point. But I'm a street rider, and so my review is usually taking my bike to work. And so we're gonna take it to work and see how it feels. Let's do a quick walk around. Alright, so let's take this baby out. Okay, so this is probably my third day owning this bike. The first day I bought it, I rode it for an hour back home, and I took it to work yesterday already, but I didn't make a video, so today's the day. And it's a Friday, even better, and a payday. Yeah, I just feel really comfortable on it now. I was definitely nervous at first. Just like that, baby. I'll admit the first couple days I didn't really get it into the power band, but as you can see, it feels good. When you get it up, when you hit it, it feels smooth. And this is the route that I normally take every day, so don't ride like a jack everywhere, because these are the same people I'll see every day, and they'll know me and they'll say that's that jack right there going 100. I mean, I do it once in a while, but you know, why have a super sport if you don't hit it at all, right? You definitely don't want to go slow. It doesn't feel right. But I do have to be in a little rush because I did leave a little late, but I'm on a bike, so I will not be late. I think leader bikes in general are good on the highways. You're just riding smoothly and you're just cruising. This guy's had his blinker on for I don't know how long now, but he's still trying to make a left or a turn left somewhere. Not right here, buddy. Don't turn there. Don't. Oh, yep. Okay, you're good. Can't take a U-turn here, buddy. No. Okay. You're just getting ready for the next turn. Oh, another rider. Yay! I like riding with other riders, but he's going really slow. If he would have came to that middle lane, I would have came and followed him. But see, what is the etiquette on that? Like, if you're riding alone and then someone is riding along, do you follow each other? You know, as long as you're going, you know, not like in a creepy way, like to each other's homes or something, but like on that route until you have to like depart ways. I know I've read some people riding is that's their thing. They want to be by themselves. They don't want anybody to be with them. Some people love the group rides. I love the group rides and I like riding by myself, but if I want to ride by myself and someone follows me, I don't mind, because I know that person is going to depart ways and go somewhere. Oh, he changed the signals. He actually changed to the right lane. Comment down below whether you like to ride by yourself when you're on the highway while you're riding by yourself, or do you like to follow along and tag along with someone else, or you don't mind tagging along or following along with somebody else. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. We're making a lot more videos. I mean, I have over 100 videos, and they're gonna keep coming. They're gonna keep coming. And my hours changed a little bit at work, so I work 30 minutes earlier, so traffic is a little bit more congested.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
Alright, I take it back regarding the exhaust. In my first video on the bike, I didn't like the way it sounded, but I'm getting used to it and I like it. It's not bad, but I still might change it just for something different. I don't know, a different look, make it my own. And when I rode this bike home yesterday, there was an accident, and so it was bumper to bumper traffic, and it was a nightmare. I had to get off, and there is no lane splitting here in Minnesota. And yeah, I could have been like, yeah, F it, let's just lane split, but it was an accident, so there was cops there, so you know, let's not be an idiot, right?
It's tragic. 612.
And I've done it before. You get honked at here for some reason. You've never heard anyone say, I was late because a motorcycle was lane splitting and got ahead of me. No, I don't think anyone's ever said that. I think I was the first person to say that. And this is the favorite part of the ride. Once I get to the little twisties here, hopefully there aren't much cars. The little curvy roads, speed limits 40. I don't go too crazy. I mean, I gotta get to work safely, right? And low side and stuff right before work. That wouldn't be fun. This bike is very flickable compared to my CBR1000RR. I thought that felt pretty close to like a 600, but this one feels super nimble. Even though they weigh about the same, just something about the low center of gravity or some I don't know that they did with this bike. Some right? Some. Alright, it's not gonna be one of those days. I got a bus ahead of me, I got this slow driver ahead of me. We'll do a little spirited riding. Nothing too crazy because there's traffic. And I'm on a good pace to make it to work on time. Oh yeah, they're moving. They're getting out the way. First bend. We got this car in the way. Yep, nothing. Can't do it. Can't do it. She just wants to lean over. This car is ruining my fun. It's alright though. It's just ensuring that I get to work safe. It's a Friday. We don't want to have a messed up day, but ooh, let's get down. Let's get down. Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving. Yeah. 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 See? See? That's what I'm talking about. A little spirited riding. Get down, let's get down, baby. And that was the fun part of my ride. Just those few turns, I gets my blood going, the engine's roaring. All in all, it's a good bike because I only have to ride 30 minutes to work, so in that 30 minutes I don't feel any aches or pains or anything. I feel good. I feel like I can still ride. So yeah, all in all, if you ride your, I mean, I don't recommend buying a sport bike to ride to work as your daily commuter. This is when I have an opportunity to ride to work, or when I don't have to bring my kids anywhere, or don't have to carry anything that doesn't fit in my backpack. So as long as, yeah, this is my vehicle of choice if I'm just riding solo, but that's not an everyday thing, so it works for me. If you like the video, hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe. And I hope everyone has a great day. You guys all stay safe out there. Be blessed. See ya. I made it. I made it. I made it.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I look ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails off.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.